Today we will learn how to make Vox Style documentary videos. Views keep coming lifetime on these kinds of videos, because of which earning also keeps happening lifetime, because the topics of this niche are evergreen. For live examples, you can check the channels of Neo, Vox, and Fern. We are going to combine the DNA of Fern's viral script with Vox's animation style to make very amazing videos. On these documentary videos, by putting effort once, you can earn lifetime. With the method told in this video, you can make documentary of history, crime, business, finance, or any niche in Vox style. I know that you must have watched dozens of tutorials for making Vox style documentary animations. Most of those tutorials tell you to install Claude code, use APIs, connect complicated workflows, download big PDF files, or write hundreds of prompts. But today, we are not going to do any of these. In this video, I will show you how professional Vox style documentary animations video is made with the help of just one master prompt. The docs file of this master prompt you will get in the description of the video. Now copy this master and open Claude, and then paste the prompt here and send. Now type continue here. After this, Claude AI will initialize the workflow. Now Claude is asking you which documentary niche you want to make video on. Here you will get many categories, like true crime cold cases, history, disaster and survival, etc. You can select any niche of your choice. Or if there is any niche in your mind, then you can type that also. For now, for this tutorial, I am selecting history niche. For this, I will type 2. After selecting niche, Claude will generate and give you 20 highly clickable video ideas. Now you have to select the idea of your choice from these. If none of these ideas seem interesting to you, then you can simply ask Claude to generate more ideas. I will select number 4 here. After this, Claude will ask you the length of your video. For this demonstration, I will enter 1 minute. And in no time, Claude will write a complete documentary voiceover script of 1 minute for you. Now we have to generate the voiceover of this script. For this, copy the voiceover script and open 11 Labs. After this, click on text to speech here and paste the script here. And then select any voice of your choice from here. I am using Brian voice here. Now after doing necessary settings, click on generate speech. After this, in just a few seconds, your voice will get generated.
August 24th, 79 AD.
Now download the voiceover from here. Now come back to Claude and type continue. Now it will automatically divide your narration into perfectly timed scenes. Now once again, type continue. After this, Claude will write detailed image prompts for every single scene of yours. Now we will generate images of all scenes of our video. For this, we will use Google Flow. Now copy the image prompt of first scene from Claude and open Google Flow up. And now click on New Project here and paste image prompt here. After this, click here. Keep aspect ratio 16:9, select Nano Banana Pro, and keep one output for one prompt. After this, click here and generate image. After this, in just a few seconds, our image will get generated. Okay, now our image has got generated. So in the same way, generate images for every scene. Okay, now all our images have got generated, so now we will animate all images one by one. For this, go back to Claude and type continue. Now ChatGPT will give you a universal animation prompt. This is a single prompt that can be used to animate every image of your documentary. Now copy this and go back to Google Flow, and click on 3 dots of first image and click on add to prompt. After this, paste the universal animation prompt. Now click here and select these settings. Select video mode, 16:9 aspect ratio, Omni Flash model, duration 6 seconds, 1 output. After this, click on generate. Now repeat the same process for every scene until all your images get animated. Keep in mind, the same animation prompt will be used in all scenes, so do not make any mistake. Okay, now after all images get animated, download all scenes one by one. For this, click on 3 dots here and click on download, and select video quality from here. After this video will get downloaded. Now after all scenes get downloaded, the turn comes to sync all scenes with voiceover and create final video. For this, open any video editor of your choice, in which you are comfortable to use. After this, import all generated clips and voiceover in sequence. Now go back to Claude. Now here in every beat, it would have been told exactly which narration is connected with which scene. Now play the voiceover. As soon as first narration ends, do not trim your animation. Instead, increase or decrease its playback speed so that the clip naturally ends with the narration. From this, your complete animation remains, and along with that, it also gets perfectly synced with voiceover. Now repeat the same process for every scene until all scenes of your video get perfectly synchronized. After all scenes get perfectly synced with voiceover, export the video. Now let's see its final output.
August 24th, 79 AD. Pompeii in the shadow of Mount Vesuvius. A baker named Modestus slides fresh loaves into a stone oven. By early afternoon, the mountain begins to shake. Then, a column of ash rises 8 miles into the sky. Witnesses reported the sound was unlike anything they had heard before. Many residents assumed it was a passing storm. Because Vesuvius had not erupted in living memory, nobody recognized the danger. What nobody knew was that the mountain had last erupted centuries earlier, and no oral history remained to warn them. By evening, pumice stones rained down on rooftops. Some families fled toward the coast. Others sheltered indoors, believing the danger would pass. Within hours, roofs collapsed under the weight of falling debris. Then, a pyroclastic surge swept through the streets at incredible speed. Investigators later concluded most victims died within minutes, frozen mid-motion. Nearly 2,000 bodies remain uncovered today.
With the help of just one workflow and one master prompt, you can make unlimited Vox-style documentaries in virtually any niche. And for this, you do not need many different prompts. Now, so that your videos reach the right audience, there is a final step which most creators completely ignore. Before uploading the video, make sure that your title, thumbnail, and metadata clearly match with that documentary niche which you are targeting. The visual style of AI does not decide that YouTube will recommend your video to which audience. No matter how good your documentary is, if title, thumbnail, and metadata are not optimized properly, then your video can struggle. Now for high clickable thumbnail of this video of yours, go back to Claude and type continue here. Now Claude will write 3 high clickable thumbnail prompts for this documentary video of yours. Now generate thumbnail image from all prompts one by one, and whichever thumbnail you like more, download it. If this tutorial was understood by you, then like the video and subscribe the channel, because I regularly share practical AI workflows, YouTube growth strategies, and new content opportunities. In the next video, I will tell about one more fast-growing niche in which there is a lot of potential. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.